Hi, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas. I just got back from my local library and I picked up this book by a local, to me, Seattle cookbook author, Laurie Pfalzer, and I've taken cooking classes from her before at PCC Natural Markets. And I love to cook with fruit and bake with fruit, so this is seasonal recipes for baking, poaching, sautéing, and roasting. And I don't often roast fruit, and I should. This just came out in 2020. It's a little tiny cookbook. She starts off with spring, summer, autumn, and winter, and I love seasonal cookbooks. The recipe list is going to include some rhubarb, some strawberries, cherries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, and marionberries, apricots, peaches, and nectarines. Autumn, we move into plums, and I have a plum tree in my backyard. Apples and pears, yum. And then winter, she moves into cranberries and citrus and dried fruits. And the recipes are for sherbets and bars and glazes and shortcake and tarts and crepes. Ooh. And a crostata and bread. Okay, kitchen memories, ingredients and equipment that you'll use. Let's start off with spring. Rhubarb. I have rhubarb growing in my backyard, but my dogs pee on it, so I can't pick it. And I don't really care for rhubarb, but so many people do, it would be good to know how to cook with it. Vanilla roasted rhubarb. Not for me, please. Ooh, rhubarb ginger sorbet. I'm allergic to ginger, so I will not make this. But that's my problem. Beautiful. Oh, I knew that Laurie would only have beautiful photos in her book. Ah, rhubarb fool. Okay, I can't show you every picture. Strawberries. La 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 la. I'm just gonna have a little bit quick candied lime zest. That's important. Oh, look at these beautiful photos. Ah, okay. Keep moving. Keep moving. Gotta go. Summer cherries. Cherries. Ooh, I love making hand pies. Cherry hand pies. I even have a little hand pie maker, which is a stupid kitchen utensil because I never use it for anything else. And you can just make a hand pie. Why do I have something to make it for you? I should give it away. Smoky sweet cherries in port with bittersweet chocolate. Hello, you had me at port. A sour cherry compote. Okay. Raspberry and lemon balm shortcake. Yum. That's a nice switch up because we all do strawberry shortcake. Getting boring. Okay, I'm skipping. Oh, this picture's so pretty. I have to show you. Okay. Don't want to ruin the whole book. Blueberries. What are we doing? Blueberries. Crepes. Crepes take so much work to make, but they're worth it. On a Sunday morning when I have time, blueberry and lemon curd tart. Poached blueberries with vanilla bean and anise. I will skip the anise. It tastes like licorice. Blackberries and marionberries. Here in the Northwest, we can just go out and pick them all day long. Apparently you have to wash them off because of worms, though. I learned that recently. I've been eating them straight off the bush for a long time because I figured, well, the rain hit it. It's clean. Here's a recipe for a bittersweet chocolate tart with blackberries and basil. Yum. Let's move. Oh, I have to show you this cake really quick. Okay. Classic white cake. Apricots. I had an apricot tree growing up in San Diego, and I didn't care for them at the time, and so I just gave them to the neighbors, and now I'm wishing I wish I had one now. Grilled apricots and apricot crumble bar. Streusel bar, excuse me. Poached apricots in sauternes. I don't have any sauternes in the house because I am a wine blogger and we don't have sauternes that we make in Washington very often. Peaches and nectarines, yum. Sauteed with thyme. Good idea. I love that. Peach mousse. What? I've never heard of that. Roasted peach bread pudding. We're moving into autumn with plums, apples, and pears. Let me skip ahead. Rosemary apples and crepes with rum caramel sauce. Here's the rum caramel sauce. Some pies, of course. I do love autumn, but I miss summer. But I'm looking forward to autumn food again. Cider braised apples with warm winter spices. Pears. What's she doing? Pear and fig pie. Burgundy poached pears with mulled wine syrup. Maple and pear panna cotta. Ooh, that's clever. I like that. Winter. Cranberries, citrus, and dried fruits. I haven't done much with cranberries other than at Thanksgiving. Beautiful, beautiful. Citrus. What are we doing in citrus? Meyer lemon buttermilk sherbet. Delicious but cold in winter. Almond cake with warm citrus and thyme. Yes, I would make that immediately. Orange and rye madeleines. Oh, that's a good idea. Add some more flavor because I find madeleines a little boring. Dried fruits. Grandma's dark holiday fruitcake. No, I'm not going to make fruitcake for people. And wow, that is cool. I am going to take this back to the library, check it back in, and go buy it, probably on Amazon, And you can do that too if you follow my affiliate link in the comments below. Anyway, thanks for watching this cookbook look through of Simple Fruit by Laurie Pfalzer from the Northwest. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.